Hello? Hello? Hello and welcome to your new summer job at the new and improved Freddy Fazbear's Pizza. I'm here to talk you through some of the things you can expect to see during your first week here and to help you get started down this exciting career path. Now, I want you to forget anything you may have heard about the old location, some people still have a somewhat negative impression of the company. That old restaurant was kind of left to rot for quite a while, but I want to reassure you, Fazbear Entertainment is committed to family fun and above all, safety. They've spent a small fortune on these new animatronics. Facial recognition, advanced mobility, they even let them walk around during the day. Isn't that neat? But most importantly, they're all tied into some kind of criminal database so they can detect a predator a mile away. Heck, we should be paying them to guard you. Now that being said, no new system is without its kinks. You're only the second guard to work at that location. The first guy finished his week but complained about conditions. We switched him over to the day shift. So, hey, lucky, right? Mainly he expressed concern that certain characters seemed to move and even attempted to get into his office. Now, from what we know, that should be impossible. That should be the safest place on Earth. So while our engineers don't really have an explanation, the working theory is that the robots were never given a proper. So when it gets quiet, they think they're in the wrong room. So then they try to find where the people are, and in this case, that's your office. So our temporary solution is this. There's a music box over by the prize counter, and it's rigged to be wound up remotely. So just every once in a while, switch over to the prize counter video feed and wind it up for a few seconds. It doesn't seem to affect all of the animatronics, but it does affect one of them. And as for the rest of them, we have an even easier solution. You see, there may be a minor glitch in the system, something about robots saying he was an endoskeleton without his costume on, and wanting to stuff you into the suit. So hey, we've given you an empty Freddy Fazbear head. Problem solved. You can have and leave it on for as long as you want. Eventually anything that wandered in will wander back out. Something else worth mentioning is kind of the quirky modern design. You may have noticed there are no doors for you to close. And even though your flashlight can run out of power, the building cannot. So don't worry about the place going dark. Well, I think that's it. You should be golden. Check the lights, put on the Freddy head if you need to. Keep the music box wound up. Peace and okay. Have a good night, and I'll talk to you tomorrow.
이거 깜빡하다가 이불 덮였어요. 좀 무서워. 너무 추워요. 너무 추워. 그 벗자마자 딱 나타날 것 같았어. 이거 벗자마자 딱 나타날 것 같았어. 그 사진에서는 그냥 이러고 있더라고.
개미루님이 이 뒤에 있다.
그 손딱 나타나. 시간이 안 나. 시간이 6시까지 버티는 그리고 이렇게 다시 눌러줘. 무슨 소리야?
오, 뭐야?
아 뭐야 이렇게 했을 때